So for this week's discussion, we're talking about reversal. Are we in for reversal or no? In my opinion, we might be on our way to a reversal, but it's hard to tell because of how long it takes for them to happen. Our magnetic field. Our magnetic field is starting to lose its strength. When the field is having a reversal, the strength of the field normally decreases by 90%, but is known to be less than that when reversing. The field could continue to lose strength. It takes it so long for a reversal, it might be hard to tell due to the slow transition. As time continues and we are going through a reversal, we continue to lose strength to our magnetic field. When it comes to switching poles, it's not going to automatically lose 90% of its strength. It's going to slowly decrease over the time it takes for a reversal to happen. Our magnetic pole. Our magnetic poles are moving. The northern pole that once sat in the Canadian Arctic is now moving more south towards Siberia. It is normal for this movement as our poles move all the time, but our poles are starting to move. Our north pole is starting to move south rapidly, and that is what is concerning a lot of scientists. The pole is moving at 9 miles per year. Our last one. The last reversal happened 780,000 years ago. The last reversal of our magnetic field slowly weakened like ours is right now. In the last reversal, the poles fully flipped for a short amount of time. This could be a sign that we are in for a reversal, as some of the signs we are having now were in the last reversal that we had 780,000 years ago. So what now? Though this evidence might be concerning, this process takes forever to take place. It is estimated that the reversals take around 10,000 years to happen, but we can't really be for sure because it's hard to find evidence of exactly how long it takes because a lot of the reversals that we know are all different. Um, so if a reversal is beginning, it will take forever till it happens, though. Even our great, 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 great grandkids won't be alive to see it. And as technology improves, maybe we will be able to tell earlier than we usually do. Thanks for watching.